Good morning, good morning. I'm in the classroom. I'm ready for you to do Zoom, but I wanted to do my recording like this. So if this is your actual page of your book, I bought these cute pencils. These are going to be for prizes, Survivor themed prizes. And so the first, I'm just going to use this pencil for today. So I'll tell you about the prizes later. But we're on page 1 of lesson 1, the first thing of math. It is called add and whole numbers. On these brown pages are very important. I want you to read through it carefully, highlight whatever is in bold, and then read through and see if you understand how to do this. What add-in means, the answer to addition problem is a sum, and then with the add-in, and then you can write it horizontally or vertically. And the work is going to be odds only. So if it's 1, we're going to do all of 1 because this is all odds, and then we'll do 3 and then page 2. So let me go ahead and start some of it for you, and then I think you can do the rest on your own. All right, it says write the value of each red digit. So here's a red digit, red digit, red digit, red digit, right? So you're gonna look at the place. Remember, before the comma is a thousands place, then a hundreds place, then tens place, and the ones place. So they're asking for 5. Now 5 already from the 10-digit area that you know from last year. It's in the hundreds place. So when you write that, just write the first digit 5 and then write 0, 0, okay? Because it's in the 500ths place. That's what the sample is here. Let's do B together. Remember I told you ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so the 9 is in red. So then you're going to jot down the 9, and then it's 9,000 because it's in the thousands place, right? And you don't, all the other numbers are 0, 0, 0. Let's do a couple more. C, 6 is in red, right? And so you're going to see, oh, that's at the end. So that's in the ones place. So all you need to do is just put 6. You know what I'm saying? There's no 0 and nothing behind that. So that's all you need to do for that one. D, 8 is in the hundreds place, right? Because it's 1, 10, hundreds, and thousands. So you do the 8 and then 0, 0. So you do that the rest for the first section, okay? For number 3, because we're doing odds, it says write the terms next to this. Remember the terms in the brown section? These are the terms right here. So you're going to write the term add in, and then sum, and then do the problem. Now you have to do all of 3 because it just with the numbers, not A, C, D, okay? So just do all of this and then double check it. You can add it correctly upward in doing that, and that will be good. So this is what I suggest. Go ahead and do it on your own in your head, and then to check the answer you can use a calculator and you can check it, but try not to do it while you're doing that because you're not going to learn, because eventually you're going to have a quiz and test on it. So you have to practice and add in it carefully. All right, so that's page 1. On page 2, you remember we're doing odds. So this is basically, it says study the first story problem and solve the other 2 problems. So you're going to read the story problem, and then you need a notebook paper nearby. Okay, so read this. This is the first one's done for you. Anytime you see a story problem, focus on the numbers. All right, so they give you 5, 6, 2, all of these numbers. But then here's the most important: find the total. Anytime it says total, it's adding. All right, or in all, it's adding. So that's what happened here. The 6, 5, and 2. And then for story problems, you have to label it. 13 what? 13 medals total, because they're asking for a total. For B, read this question carefully, and it looks like, see the numbers I told you? You might want to circle the numbers and then write it down, okay, vertically. And then you will see it says what was a total, so another total. So you got to add it, all right? And then do the C again. Look at the numbers and see it says members collect in all. This is right here. And so all means adding. So you need to do number 5. And we'll skip down and do number 7. 7 is, remember, sum means adding just the answers. So just add them up. Add them up. And you're doing all of that. And that's all you need to do for the first lesson, is do all the odds. So let me review a little bit with you. You're going to do all of 1. You're going to do all of 3. You're going to do all of 5. All this, just 3 story problems, and you're going to do all of this. Super simple, isn't it? I mean, all you're doing is just adding. So that's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know. But at 10 o'clock a.m., we are going to do it on the board so you kind of understand. So if you still are confused, go look at the video again, you know, and then just play it again, and that's all you need to do. All right, bye. By the way, these pencils are waiting for you. So we're gonna have a little game. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.